So guys, 2020 started with a very happy and positive note. We were all excited, happy, partying, and we had plans, we had goals for 2020. But 2020 ended up to be a history for all of us. It was an astonishing year. Everyone who has lived in 2020 has a story to tell. We are all the part of the most hilarious history ever. Who thought that one day we would be caged in our own houses like we have caged those innocent animals? So, this pandemic was declared, and not only in India but in other countries too, there was a strict lockdown. I'm sure none of us ever imagined that one day we leave our work and sit at home for months. And I don't think anyone is alive in this world who has seen this kind of pandemic before. I still can't believe all these things actually happened. This is all so shocking. You know, guys, I still think that it was a movie going on and we were all the characters of that movie, and it was a dangerous movie. So, here are some of the worst things that happened in 2020. So, the number one point is the lockdown. We were all supposed to be at home, no social activities, no gatherings, no going out, no gym, no sports activities, no entertainments, no restaurant, nothing. एंड आई डोंट थिंक कि हम में से किसी ने ऐसा टाइम इससे पहले कभी भी देखा होगा. सो 60% ऑफ द बिजनेसेस वर शट डाउन ड्यू टू COVID-19, and people lost their jobs. People didn't had money to pay rent, people didn't had money to travel, to eat, and this was the worst condition. The second worst thing of 2020 was the loss of lives. We lost so many people this year, we lost so many talents this year, and I can't even describe the pain of the people, of the families who have lost somebody due to COVID-19, because the COVID-19 patients were not even allowed to meet their families, and the families were not even allowed to see the dead bodies for the last time. And what can be the worst thing than this? The third worst thing of 2020 was the Ukraine airliner crash, in which 170 people along with 9 crew members lost their lives. And this is not it, guys. There's a long list to go, like the Australian wildfire, the Lebanon crash, stock market crash, the floods, earthquake, and whatnot. But the worst thing, according to me, was the Australian wildfire, because more than 1 billion animals died in that. And why do they deserve this? After all these things, if you are still alive and watching this video, then please be thankful to the universe, because you are that lucky person. Now, I think that the year 2020 was the year of learning and realization. Now, when I talk about realization, the biggest thing that we realized is that we human beings are the only ones who are responsible for damaging and destroying our planet, and whatever things we are suffering is just because of our sins. And this is not just me saying it over here. Mother Nature proved it. We were locked in our houses for 3 months, and those 3 months were the best for the Mother Nature to bloom. Mother Nature was blooming at its best. We could hear the birds chirping around like never before. We had the best air quality, best water quality, and whatnot. So with this, now I would like to come on the positive side of 2020. So the first positive point of 2020 is France banned the use of wild animals in the circuses. And in Kenya, the lion population rose from 25%. So now coming on the second point, now we all know that who are the real superheroes. No, I'm not talking about the film heroes. I'm talking about the real heroes, the health workers, the sanitation workers, and the police forces. They were risking their lives every day to make sure that we could live easily and we could be safe. So the third and the most beautiful thing that happened in year 2020 was that we actually got so much time to spend with our families, friends, and our close ones. So for me personally, lockdown was a very beautiful time. Touch wood. I was there with my family for so long after a very long gap. As you guys might know that I stay in Mumbai away from my family, so I was there in Lucknow for some reason, and then lockdown happened, so I got to stay with my family for so long, and I tried new recipes. I had so much fun with my family, and we spent a quality time. So yeah, lockdown was really nice for me. Now, the fourth positive point of the year 2020 was that we actually got to see the unity among the people. Whether we talk about the PM Modi's task, which was Diya Jalao and Thali Bajao thing, we all performed it together. This was done by all of us, and it gave such a strong feeling that we are there with each other in this pandemic, and we are there to help each other in this situation. It gave us the power and the strength to fight with this situation. And we also saw people helping each other in terms of money, travel, food, ration, etc. So it was such a beautiful feeling to first time witness that people do actually help each other. So the last positive point according to me that happened was the new friendships. I mean, come on, agree with me. Like, we all have made good friends in this pandemic. The lockdown actually gave us so much time to talk to our friends, to know them, to understand them, and to spend quality time with them. And I think कि अगर lockdown नहीं होता तो हम ऐसा time अपने दोस्तों के साथ कभी नहीं spend कर पाते. And also we spend time with ourselves, focusing on our mental health, on our physical health. We spend time with ourselves, knowing ourselves better. I think it is the most important thing to know yourself first. So that's it, guys. These were few of the good and bad things of 2020. We all must learn and realize what 2020 wanted to teach us. Trust me, these were not just points. These points should be taken as lessons because nature always warns us. And maybe this is just a warning. Who knows? Maybe something worse than this can happen in future if we don't realize it right now. I just hope that we all become a very responsible human on this planet and for the animals. And I hope that we make our 2021 the best year ahead. Lots of love, guys.